Hello, welcome back. Okay, in this video we're going to do the Samba spin. Okay, spinning for who? Yes, the follower. So we're going to give you a few angles on this, and it's nice and easy. Gentlemen, you are going to prep and take her to your right side. Just a little hint there. So we're going to start with a two-hand hold from this angle first. Ready? And triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. Did you get it? Good. All right, let's take it from this angle. Ready? And triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. Very cool. And remember on this one, I can rock forward or I can rock in place or back. Again, for more information, go to your private lesson style videos. Here we go. And triple step, rock, step, triple step, rock, step. You see what happens when I go into that? It's just a matter of actually getting out of her way and let her spin, change the hands. See that? That was very cool. So, now remember, this is going to be that I'm going to step out to the outside, letting her pass. So watch out for that as you go through this, okay? So if I'm actually going this way, remember I'm going this way. Yeah? So practice that as you go through it. Remember, the private lesson style videos go in more detail. This is just a what? Quick view. All right, so go practice, have fun, and then come on back for the next pattern.